friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to use Fibonacci extensions to know when to take profit, part 2. In this video, we will show you an example of using Fibonacci extension levels in a downtrend. In a downtrend, the general idea is to take profits on a short trade at a Fibonacci extension level, since the market often finds support at these levels. Let's take another look at that downtrend on the first hour of Euro USD chart we showed you in the Fib sticks lesson. Here we saw a doji form just under the 61.8% Fib level. Price then reversed as sellers jumped back in and bought price all the way back down to the swing low. Let's put up that Fib extension tool to see where could have been some good places to take profits had we shorted at the 61.8% retracement level. Here's what happened after price reversal from the Fibonacci retracement level. Price found support at the 38.2% level. The 50% level held as initial support, then became an area of interest. The 61.8% level also became an area of interest before price shot down to test the previous swing low. If you look ahead, you will find out that the 100% extension level also acted as support. We could have taken off profits at the 38.2%, 50% or 61.8% levels. All these levels acted as support, possibly because other traders were keeping an eye out of these levels for profit taking as well. The examples illustrate that price finds at least some temporary support or resistance at the Fibonacci extension levels, not always, but often enough to correctly adjust your position to take profits and manage your risk. Of course, there are some problems to deal with here. First, there is no way you know which exact Fibonacci extension level will provide resistance. Any of these levels may or may not act as support or resistance. Another problem is determining which swing low to start from and creating the Fibonacci extension levels. One way is to form the last swing low, as we did in the example. Another is from the lowest swing low to the past 30 bars. Again, the point is that there is no one right way to do it. But with a lot of patience, you will make better decisions of picking swing points. You will have to use your discretion in using the Fibonacci extension tool. You will have to judge how much longer the trend will continue. That's all for today. Let's catch up with the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.